Welcome to Sounds from the Stadium. Are you excited?
Over 2,000 school children, one Southampton super band.
Regent!
On drums, Regent's Park.
Regent!
On strings, Moorland School in Bitton. On wind, St Mary's School. And on percussion, everyone else. Rehearsals this afternoon were a chance to put final touches to a live performance tonight. Helped by star of BBC Music show The Voice, CJ Edwards, and electric string trio called Electra, the children each brought their own instrument for the mass sing-along.
It's really cool being in the Saint Stadium to show all the schools about our singing and stuff. I'm really excited. I've been over the moon for 2 days or so. I've been really wanting to do it.
The fact that you get the feeling to come down to St Mary's and do this, not many people actually get that experience, so it's just really compelling.
All our instruments are going to sound amazing together. I've been practicing at home, and I always have to go and ask my mum to play just in case it's too noisy.
As well as making as much noise as they could, the children have been raising money for a new maternity echo machine at Southampton General Hospital.
It's giving some of these children, especially those from the more deprived areas of the city, an opportunity that they would never have. Firstly, to come inside a football stadium, and secondly, to play and perform with others, and the feeling that creates is magical.
Sounds from the Stadium aim to inspire a new generation of budding musicians, but has it hit the right notes?
Give us a cheer!
I think that's a yes.